Hello everyone, I am Anita Balchandra, student from Brisang Training Consistency of Dhankori. Today I will share a video on technical topics. The topic is patient requirement in a clinical trials. Requirement of patient is a vital for the success of clinical trials. It ensures that studied stay on schedule, preventing delays affecting the overall duration. Having enough diverse participants is crucial for reliable result. Timely requirement to respect participant time and minimize the burden on them and researcher. It also contributes to cost-effective trials and increase the chances of regulatory approval. Patient recruitment is not just a logistic necessity, it is a fundamental part of ethical and successful clinical research. Patient requirement in a clinical trials include identify sourcing and educating individual for pre-screening and initial discussion. Regarding potential trial participation, this process consists of all participation related activities leading up to the moment when the individual sign and informed consent form. The patient is deemed officially required and become eligible for the subsequent screening phase. The factor influencing patient participant in a clinical trial. Factors is the eligibility criteria, site location, follow-ups, communications, and informed consent process. First is the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria are the crucial for accurate data, but overly strict criteria can hinder finding qualified participation. Streamlining criteria by removing non-essential details improve inclusively without compromising result. The FDA encouraged this approach to enhance diversity in clinical trials. A revolution of exclusion without scientific solid support, such as extreme weight range or HIV status. Next is the site location. Site location is the geographical location of clinical trial site. Play a crucial role in patient participation. Accessible and convenient site location increase the likelihood of patient enrollment. Factors such as proximity to participant, residence, transportation availability and easy for reaching the trial sites and significantly impact requirement and retention rates. Strategic site selection consider the demographic distribution of the target patient population. Next is the follow-ups. The frequency and nature of follow-up visit are essentially consideration for patient participation. The burden of frequent or lengthy follow-up visit can deter individual from joining or continuing in a clinical trials. Streamlining follow-up procedure, offering flexible scheduling and minimizing the disruptions to participant daily lives enhance the overall patient experience and contribute to better adherence. And next is the informed consent process. Informed consent process is the healthcare professional often view the informed consent process as a large in recovering for clinical trials. Some argue that patient may find the information disclosure or physiologically harmful, while often suggests it could impact the trust in the doctor patient and relationship. Clinical might be hesitant to disclose information due to their expertise. These are the all information about requirement of patient in clinical trial. Thank you so much.